Today we're going to be talking about 6 different YouTube channels that you could start today in order to start earning $10,000 a month. With the help of my brother Matt, he has a YouTube channel called Make Money Matt. He has been super helpful in teaching me the ins and outs of YouTube. And a very important thing within creating a YouTube channel is making sure you're creating a channel that revolves around a niche that is a good niche. But what defines a good niche? Well, today I've gone through and I've found 6 different channels that revolve around different niches, and all of these niches are proven to be successful, meaning they have a market for money to be made. So let's just jump right into it. The first channel that I have is a channel called Bestie Health. And Bestie Health is a channel that has, you guessed it, a health niche. And this channel has been around for over 7 years now. Now, something unique that you might notice about this channel is when you click on it, all of the different videos and content that they have created do not include anybody's face, meaning they just use stock photos and videos and do a voiceover. Even their little channel art, you can see it's just 2 little cute animated characters. Another thing about this channel is it doesn't require any crazy cool editing skills. It really just requires you to be able to find different stock photos and videos and compile them and then snip them down and talk about what the topic of the video is. Another thing with this sort of channel is you also have to do some research, because you do not want to be giving out any false information, especially when it comes to something like health. But who knows, maybe you're in college for some kind of health degree. This would be a perfect channel for you to start and get into, as it is something maybe you're interested in already. So within this channel, you can see that their most popular video got 14 million views as of now, and they have over 4 million subscribers. And all of these sorts of videos that you can see on Bestie Health's channel, these videos can be created mostly just using different AI softwares and different tools that can be found online. My brother actually has a lot of different videos on his channel on just how to use different AI softwares with creating content. Another thing to note is you do not need to pool a bunch of money into a stock footage company. There are a lot of different free options out there as well. And then with these faceless YouTube channels that revolve around a specific niche, there is a huge potential for different affiliate marketing. For example, if you have a health niche, you could be selling different workout equipments. I'm doing this because, I don't know, I was thinking weights. Lifting weights, health account, I don't know. Now let's talk about channel number 2 that I have found. And this is going to be a channel called alux.com. Now this is going to be another channel that has been around for a long time, and they as well have over 4 million subscribers. And this specific channel has been around for over 10 years. And I'm not saying this to scare you, because you do not need to have a YouTube channel for 10 years to potentially reach this success. But again, this channel has videos that are done in very simple terms, meaning they use different stock photos and different stock videos and put them up on the screen, compile them all together, and then maybe just add some fun animations or different text on the screen to just keep viewers more engaged. So this channel's niche has to do with luxury, because if you take a peek at this channel, you can see they talk about all things to do with finance and living a luxury style life. Now, you can make some of these videos with AI tools as well. However, you could also get more involved within the research process and the video making process. Now, if you want to have more high quality stock photos and videos, you could start a subscription with a site called Storyblocks, as Storyblocks will offer just more high quality stock photos and videos. Now again, you do not have to edit these videos in any fancy way whatsoever, which is what's so great about some of these channels that I found today. You could even simply edit these videos on your phone. There is an app called CapCut, and it's a very good platform because it's simply free and it's just got really anything you know for a base of editing videos. But this is a very easy niche as well for beginners. And then again, with a faceless YouTube channel within a specific niche, there is a big potential for affiliate marketing. And this is again when you're going to be putting links within the descriptions of your videos for products that relate to your niche. And then if a viewer buys this product, you get a cut of this money. So you could put an affiliate link for a fancy watch if you have a luxury niche channel. Now we're on to channel number 3, which is a channel that I usually talk about within my videos, and this channel is going to be called Brainy Dose. And this channel is going to be a faceless psychology channel. And this is a channel that you can do with literally no technical skills at all. Meaning all you have to do is do some research within the niche of this channel. For example, this channel is a psychology channel. Then you write this script, create your voiceover, and you can do this all while laying in bed. Just research psychology, record your voiceover, then edit these videos on your phone. And this is going to be another niche where I might recommend having a Storyblocks subscription, because then you can just get these more high quality stock photos and videos. But again, if you can't afford that yet, that is totally okay as well. And this is a great type of niche to jump into because these videos don't necessarily take a lot of time to make as well. And then you could also utilize something like ChatGPT to come up with different ideas within your script, or maybe write some different jokes for you to throw in there. I just went on ChatGPT and I told them to tell me a joke. And they said, why don't skeletons fight each other? And they said, they don't have bones. That wouldn't be a great example of ChatGPT's abilities because that was not a good joke. Anyways, back on task, these psychology videos can be made mostly through AI, and again, they have the great potential for affiliate marketing. You guessed it. Now we're on to our 4th channel, which is going to be a channel called Mojo Travel. And you might be thinking, Kayla, I do not have the budget to be traveling the world. Well, you don't necessarily have to do that. Although I would love to go to Ireland. If there's a way for me to get to Ireland, let me know because I need to go. But this channel called Mojo Travels is exactly like all of the previous channels that I've just mentioned in this video, because they simply write a script, do a voiceover, and compile different stock photos and videos. With a travel channel, you can generate a great script using AI because, for example, you could ask ChatGPT, give me 5 of the best places to visit in Hawaii. And they can simply compile this list for you. Now, when you're compiling different stock photos and videos within this niche, make sure that you're not using anything that is copyrighted. Specifically, maybe drone footage is one that can be commonly copyrighted. But again, all of this content within a travel niche could be done within your phone. You could be laying in bed, and just maybe to start out, you could be taking only 10 minutes out of the day to work on these videos, and you'll have your first video in no time. Because again, with the use of AI, we can get a lot of work done very quickly. Now, the next channel I have for you guys is a channel called Future Tech. And Future Tech is exactly what it sounds like, as it's a channel that has to do with new inventions and gadgets within technology. And these videos, again, are also very, very simple to make because they can be made within any free video editing software, whether this be CapCut, like I mentioned before, or you could even be making these videos within iMovie, or PowerDirector has an app for your phone. But you can get different videos from different websites that have to do with maybe gadgets and technology and new inventions, or you can get these videos from the manufacturers or even different pages within Amazon. Another thing that is great with this specific niche is it can be done almost 100% through AI. Another thing within technology is I would recommend fact checking and just proofreading all of your different numbers, because again, you do not want to be spreading misinformation. And that's another thing with using AI. You do not want to copy directly everything. Make sure to fact check some things here and there. Another thing is you could run the ideas that you get from ChatGPT through a website called Copyscape to make sure there isn't any copyright infringement happening. And again, you guessed it, there is a huge potential for affiliate marketing. And in my opinion, having a good potential for affiliate marketing within a niche of a YouTube channel is very crucial, because then you can have 2 different income sources, whether this be through the ad revenue or the affiliate links. And in a sense, you can get monetized on YouTube before you actually get monetized on YouTube through affiliate links. Because with affiliate links, you can start making money with YouTube right away. Now, we're on to our 6th channel, and this is going to be a channel called Rebound Football. Now, I'm not one that is into football, however, I did end up watching the Super Bowl this year, and was it because of Taylor Swift? Possibly, but did I have a fun time nonetheless? Yeah, a little bit. And tell me, why did I find myself screaming in joy when the Chiefs won? I know nothing about football. I love Taylor Swift. But Rebound Football is a channel that makes different lists and different videos that have to do with stories about American football. So I would definitely recommend choosing this niche if you're interested in the NFL. I wouldn't recommend this if you're a fake fan like me and know nothing about football, but you could also do this within any other sport as well. For example, your niche could be football, or it could be football. Now, AI can help you with writing various scripts, but if you choose a topic or a sport that you're truly passionate about, then the script writing process can be even easier. As you're already finding joy within this sport, it will be just really easy to write about it. But I recommend choosing a sport that you are interested in, as the script writing process will run super smoothly. For example, I am somebody that was in dance, so creating a dance YouTube channel doesn't seem like a bad idea for me, as that's something that's already interesting to me. And I already have previous knowledge that I could put into that. These videos can also be done with any free video editing software. Another example of a free video editing software would be Canva, and this is a website that you can also use for making different channel art, whether it be for thumbnails or the banner on your YouTube channel. Canva is just a great one, so I wanted to make sure to throw that out there. Now, getting different clips and videos to use within these types of channels can be a little bit trickier because you have to follow different rules of fair use, because these are videos from different sporting events. But the good news with this one is you do not necessarily have to have a premium stock footage subscription, and within one of these channels, gathering different stock photos and videos might be a little harder, as you might have to watch a bunch of different videos. However, if you're interested in the sport that you're making videos about, then this process might not be as challenging to you, because you're watching videos that you already would enjoy watching, and you might already know what types of videos to look for. Now that we've gone through 6 different channels, all with under different niches, and just for a recap, these niches are going to be health, wealth, psychology, travel, technology, and sports. And these different niches are very well, as they all have the potential for affiliate marketing, and they all have the potential to be made just sitting at home, not even having to record a video. And within these niches, for example, health is such a broad topic that you can make so many different videos within the niche of health, or any of the niches that I've just listed today. Now, if you're interested in creating your YouTube channel or a faceless YouTube channel, make sure to click on this video right here. It is basically a free training course and a video that my brother has made, and he'll talk about simply how to just get your YouTube channel started, what types of content to create within these specific niches. It could be the niches that we just went through today. And he'll also talk about how to get monetized on YouTube and start making as much money as potentially possible. Make sure to click on it. Oh, and my brother has the best course out there on how to make money with YouTube and get started with a YouTube channel. I'll link that into the description for you guys as well, so make sure to click on this, check out the description if you're curious, and we'll see you guys there.